Around 4.6 billion years ago, our Sun, Earth, the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets were born out of a vast nebula. This cloud of gas and dust had no particular shape. It was just a messy blob floating in space. Yet somehow, over time, that chaos turned into the neatly arranged flat system we see today. At first glance, this flatness might seem strange. Shouldn't planets be orbiting in all directions, like electrons in the old planetary model of the atom? And is our solar system unique in this flat design? The truth is, we're not unique. Flat systems are everywhere in the universe. Many exoplanetary systems orbit in flat planes. Galaxies like the Milky Way are flat spirals. Black hole accretion disks are flat. So the real question is, why does the universe seem to prefer flatness when it has all of three-dimensional space to work with? The answer comes down to two simple ideas: collisions and the fact that we live in a three-dimensional universe. In the early solar system, particles and rocks were moving in every direction. Individually, their orbits looked random, but together, they had a total spin around a center of mass. That spin naturally defined a plane of rotation. Now here, yes, where collisions come in. Particles smashing into each other canceled out their up and down motions. Each crash wasted energy, but the overall spin of the system stayed conserved. Over millions of years, this constant crashing and clumping flattened the whole system into a disk. Here's a mind bender. In a universe with 4 spatial dimensions, things would be very different. Instead of one plane of rotation, there could be 2 planes at the same time. That would mean no preferred up or down directions for particles to lose energy in, and clouds of matter wouldn't naturally flatten. In other words, it's only in 3 dimensions that messy clouds collapse into flat disks. And that's lucky for us, because without this process, stars, planets, and life as we know it couldn't exist. So the reason our solar system is flat is simple. Gravity pulled matter together, collisions canceled out random motions, and the laws of 3-dimensional physics forced everything into a spinning pancake of planets. Far from being special, our flat solar system is part of a cosmic pattern, a universal preference for disks and spirals. And in that beautiful flatness, our home was born.